First Alert meteorologist Samantha Roberts. It is the final day of July. We are still in summer.
Yeah.
Okay, but outside right now it feels more like fall.
It really doesn't feel very July-like
No, it does
at
not.
all, and it's not going to feel very August-like tomorrow. These temperatures, not really quite sure what time of the year it is. We're in the upper 60s. These are closer to like our average overnight lows for this time of the year, so a little cooler than average in the short term. It will warm up by the end of the weekend. I'm not seeing much rain right now. I mean, we do have that really persistent cloud cover out there, but some clearing in spots. 68 right now in Cleveland after a gloomy day, and again, no steady rain showing up on the radar, but there could be a little drizzle in spots. I think this slow clearing process will really continue over the next few hours. We should be clear at midnight, and look how comfortable we are. Mid and upper 60s next few hours, mid 60s by midnight, and then first thing tomorrow morning, I do think some of us could dip into the 50s. It's going to be breezy tonight, if not windy at times. So again, just really kind of not feeling like July out there. Definitely not as hot as the last few days. And that taste of fall continuing into the weekend.
Meteorologist Samantha Roberts, we had the rain come through
Yeah.
earlier, and now it's bringing some cooler temperatures.
Yeah, you know, and it's still like a tiny bit muggy, but it's so cool and it's so windy. It just really feels like kind of a damp cool, right? Then you factor in the wind. This is not what we want to see in July, or maybe you're happy about this because, you know, it has been really hot, really humid, and we are finally getting some brighter conditions outside after a very gloomy day today. And cooler weather, more of it is coming, but without the humidity. That's the important note to tomorrow's forecast. It'll be warmer than today, but I do think it'll feel better. Take a look at the numbers here with this 3-day series of really cool mornings. So the blue bar on each day is the morning temperature. The yellow bar is the afternoon temperature. So Friday morning about 60. Some of us I do think will be in the upper 50s. 75 for a high. So all day feeling more like September, mid-September at that. 54 Saturday morning and Sunday morning. And then in the afternoon, upper 70s Saturday, low 80s on Sunday. Typical temperatures for this time of the year, just to give you a little bit of perspective. We really should be in the low 80s for highs. So we'll get there by Sunday, but it's not going to be humid. So I don't think it'll feel bad out there at all. Right now, a lot of 60s for us. 69 New Philadelphia, upper 60s in Cleveland. We're scanning the skies here, and I'm really not seeing much in the way of rain. There might still be a little kind of leftover drizzle, but that's about it in terms of precip right now. And I don't expect any additional rain or anything like that overnight. We're going to clear out. It's going to be cooler and those humidity levels will fall. Also, if you have like wind chimes outside or something, you're going to notice that wind this evening. Winds gusting to about 25 miles per hour. Not quite as windy tomorrow, but still a breeze for sure. A lot of sun. And notice I do have this really small chance for a very isolated shower in the forecast. Wind coming out of the northeast. So we could see a little bit of that reverse lake effect. Not the wind coming out of the northwest, but out of the north and east. So kind of coming in from Ontario. And that could spark a little shower or two, mainly along the lake shore, Akron, Canton.